Hi everyone and welcome to We Love Art. My name's Denise and today we're going to recreate Cafe Terrace at night, originally created by Van Gogh. So for today we're going to start with the sky. So with this double load technique, so the technique where I just take all the colors on my brush, you will find that you have different color strokes on your canvas. So for example, here it's slightly lighter. Then I went into more of pure blue. So I added more blue onto my brush. And in this stroke I see more black. Now this stroke with lots of black, I want to compensate with another color because I don't want to see so much black. So I just go with another color on top of the black. Just like this. So definitely experiment with this multiple load technique where you add multiple different colors on your brush because it gives you that beautiful range of different colors. And again, if you don't like a certain color, how it comes out, no problem. All you need to do is add a new stroke of color on top of that. So after the sky, we're gonna go towards the buildings on the right. For the buildings on the right, they have a dark blue base. So for this, we're gonna mix blue, a little bit of black and some white. And the inside of the buildings are lighter. So for the insides, we're gonna go and add more white. So similar as to what I did to the sky, I multiple load my brush. This time a darker color, so this time I add more black and I'm gonna apply the paint. Vertical strokes. Now the inside is lighter, so I'm gonna add already some more white and blue to it. The outsides of these buildings are really a deep color. Again, I apply the paint really thickly, just so it's easier to apply on the canvas and it doesn't dry that quick. Well done on your beautiful masterpiece, your very own take on Vincent van Gogh's Cafe Terrace at night. I hope you have absolutely loved this tutorial and that you're gonna put this beautiful painting somewhere nice on the wall for everyone to forever admire. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to see you very soon again. Bye!